Alright guys, welcome back to another video. We're working on the red Mustang again. What we're doing is replacing shocks and struts. We put Monroe shocks and struts on here when we first got the car, which is about 6 years ago, and they're totally just shot. So we went in and picked up some Coney shocks here. I believe they're non-adjustable. I don't think it says it on here, but I'm pretty sure they're non-adjustable Coney shocks, and struts. So we're starting with the front first, and then we'll work our way over to the back. So let's go ahead and get started. Yep. It's already getting stuck on there again. Yep. So to take the strut loose, you got 2 bolts right here and just 1 on top. That one. All right.
Can you tap it out of there? Without it hitting you?
That looks a lot better.
Yep.
Nice and orange. Ow.
Already hot?
Zip tie sharp.
Once you put it through there, I'll start this so that it holds it. Okay, now I'm gonna put the spacer on. That fits.
Just a couple ugga-duggas and it's good. Wants to get the right size on there. Couple ugga-duggas. Wait! Real shot. Alright, so it's never good when you end up with spare parts. We forgot to put a spacer in on each side, so we're gonna have to jack it back up and go ahead and put the spacer in this side and the passenger side. Then we'll be good to go on the front, and tomorrow we're gonna knock out the rear. So when I shake this, watch this.
The other one?
So these are the spacers I was talking about we need to put on, 1 on each side. We already got a spacer on top and normally need to put one up under, but we're not going to take out the strut again. We're just going to add a spacer on top and tighten this nut down, and that will work. That's because that's what we did on this one, kind of. I won't show you that. So we're going to go ahead and loosen these up and put those spacers on, then we're going to go onto the rear.
Bruh.
Alright, now we just got to break this one loose and the whole shock will come out and we'll replace it. While I was under here, I figured out the exhaust rattle. Looks like the exhaust hanger broke right through, so we're going to end up replacing that too. That one looks like it's getting close to breaking as well. Nope. There it goes, right in the grass.
That's right.
Now we use the hammer to beat it off. There it goes. Oh yeah.
Horrible. Let me see. Let me take a look at this bad boy.
Use your bad hand.
Here we go.
Hey, it still works. It does.